to Onibeke's kitchen once again. I hope you all are doing okay. This is morning in America and I'm getting ready to prepare a delicious breakfast for my family. It's a popular Nigerian beans fritters we usually use for breakfast. So today we are going to be making something creative with our beans. Okay, I have black-eyed peas here. I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious beans fritters with black-eyed peas. And in Nigeria, it's popularly known as Akara. These are the simple ingredients that we need. Here I have some salt.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Then I have 1 habanero pepper. Okay. Onions. Okay. We don't need spices. We don't need bouillon. Then our vegetable oil, because we are going to be frying the fritters. Okay. So let's get started. It's going to take a little while, but as I always say, everything that is good doesn't come that easy. Tasty food takes a little while, but at the end it will worth all that time. So I have the beans in a blender. I use blender to wash the beans. Okay, so what we are going to do now is that we are going to remove the coats, okay, and that black eye that is there. We are going to remove the back of the beans. We are going to wash it away and everything will be clean. So this is how I'm going to use it. I'm going to pour some water and cover it up so that it will help the blender to work properly without breaking it. So I'm going to cover it up. The purpose is not to blend it to a paste, but to crack it. As it is cracking, it's removing the backs. Okay, so we're going to do it like at least some seconds. So we have the cracked beans here. Look at it. We are going to wash it. Okay, I'm going to pour some water. I'm going to apply pressure with my hand like this to wash off the backs. So here is our strainer. We are going to strain it. We are going to be repeating it until we get a clean beans. So look at what we have. This is what we want to get out, all those chaffs. So this is what we have now. Washed black-eyed peas. We've removed all the coating, the black eye. I added some water to soak it. But one thing with our cooking is that we do not only cook, but we teach when we are cooking. So this is something I noticed. You are going to soak the beans, but do not soak it too much, because if you do, it will not hold as a ball. It will not hold as a ball when you are frying it. It will be flat. Okay, so I added both the time I used to wash it, those time that I'm washing it, it's already soaking. And I added a little like 5 minutes soaking. So it doesn't have to be a long soaking if you want to get the perfect result, the perfect akara balls. Okay, So now we are going to blend the beans. So now that everything is in here, I'm going to add water. Look at the level of my water, not too much, okay? So it will not be too watery. So I'm going to cover it up. So we are blending our beans into a fine paste, okay? It's almost blended properly. So now I'm going to add our ingredients and blend it together. What I normally do is to make sure that the beans is properly blended before adding the ingredients. Sometimes I blend it everything together. So I'm going to add the onions. I'm using one bulb, one medium bulb, okay? If you add too much onions, it will make it too soft. That is what I noticed. It will make the beans, the akara, too soft, okay? So whatever ingredient you are putting, let it be in the same quantity of the food you are making. Then we are using just one habanero pepper. You can add two if you want it to be hot. And then I'm going to blend it again. Our blended beans is ready. So you know beans has a starch, okay, and it's the starch that helps it form as a ball. Okay, so there's a way you can activate it more. What they do back home is that before they start frying it, they use mortar, okay, to grind it a little to activate that starch, okay, before they start frying it. You can allow it to sit in the blender for a while, then you blend it once again. That's our blended paste. This is one of the best popular snack in Nigeria. Akara and the bread. Very, very tasty. You know, people, they don't like to eat beans, regular cooked beans, but no child will refuse this when you make it, okay? Because it smells and tastes so good. So I'm going to add salt, just salt, no bouillon. You can chop up some onions and put inside, okay? But you know kids, they are picky, they may not like the onions. So that is why I blended everything, but I'm not really that way. I've added the salt, which is the only thing we need, no spices. Then I'm gonna stir it. I'm gonna stir it, then I will taste it and know if it's properly seasoned. You taste it, but do not swallow. So I have hot oil in a pan. It's very hot, but not too hot, so that the akara will not start burning before it fries properly. So with a spoon, deep spoon, I'm gonna add it. We are going to allow each side to cook, then we flip it, okay? That is how you fry akara. Time to flip it. Easy to clean once you allow it to fry properly. we are coming to the end of the video. Please share, subscribe if you have not. Okay, time to get it out. We are not going to allow it until it gets burnt. Drain out some oil. So look at our beautiful akara balls. When we get these ones out, we will add another batch. Healthy snacking. Plant-based protein. It's very nutritious. So look at our beautiful breakfast table. Okay, today we made akara. Look at our fried akara. This is made with beans. Okay, so we are done for today. You eat it with your bread. I've got bread. You can use white bread. And this is our breakfast table. And I'll be seeing you once again with another special recipe.